Ross has been designing and supplying industrial manufacturers with pneumatic valves and control systems for over 100 years. This family-owned company is recognized as the global leader in industrial fluid power safety technology and products.
As a family-owned middle-market company, one of our competitive advantages is to react quickly, to be agile, and to respond to customer needs in a timely manner. We can respond faster than our competition to customer needs, market requirements, and specific applications. Our team has extensive experience in fluid power applications. We're experts in pneumatics, hydraulics, electrical, and we have the ability to apply that expertise to our customer applications and create and improve the safety of industrial automation equipment.
To learn more about using risk assessment for improved fluid power safety, go to rosscontrols.com.